This is a message from the BBC. Normal programming has been suspended. The following message is being transmitted at the request of Her Majesty's Government. A national emergency has been declared. At 1:21 p.m., a mysterious figure has been spotted at the edge of our solar system. This figure is round, black, and is growing exponentially. We have reason to believe that it is a black hole. If it is a black hole, then it will be the end of our solar system. Everything, including Earth, will be absorbed into it. A black hole is an entity in which nothing, not even light, can escape its gravity. There is nothing we can do to stop this black hole. It is advised that you prepare for a dignified death. Suicide has been authorized by the UK government. We will close with the national anthem.